In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Agile project management in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Agile project management is all about flexibility and adaptation, making it perfect for teams that need to respond quickly to change. Wrike is a fantastic tool that helps facilitate these Agile practices, so let's jump right in. First, to get started with Agile in Wrike, you'll want to create a new project. Head over to your Wrike dashboard and look for the plus New button. Click on that, then select Project. You'll be prompted to enter the project name and a brief description. Choose something that clearly represents the goals of your project, as this will help keep everyone aligned. Next, let's set up your project for Agile methodologies. You'll want to select a board view, as this is where you can create a Kanban-style workflow. This visual representation is key in Agile management because it allows you to see tasks and their statuses at a glance. In the left sidebar, look for your project, click on it, and then find the option to switch to board view. Once you're in board view, you can create columns that represent different stages of your workflow. For example, you might have columns for backlog, in progress, and completed. To create a new column, you can simply click on the plus Add Column button. Naming these columns clearly will help your team understand where each task stands within the process. Now that you have your columns set up, it's time to start adding tasks. Click on Add Task in the column representing your backlog. This is where you should brainstorm and enter tasks that need to be accomplished throughout your project. For each task, add a descriptive title and any necessary details within the task description. You can also assign team members to each task, set deadlines, and even prioritize them using Wrike's custom fields to ensure everyone knows what's most important. Once your tasks are entered, the real fun of Agile begins: sprinting. Agile often emphasizes working in time-boxed iterations called sprints. To plan a sprint, gather your team and discuss which tasks from the backlog are most critical to accomplish within the next period, typically 1 to 4 weeks. You can move those tasks directly into the In Progress column by dragging them from the backlog. As tasks progress, it's essential to keep the board updated. Encourage your team to regularly update the status of their tasks. This way, everyone stays in the loop, and you can quickly identify any bottlenecks or areas where help is needed. Using Wrike's comments section within each task also fosters communication, allowing team members to share updates or ask questions directly related to the tasks. At the end of each sprint, conduct a retrospective meeting. This meeting is where you can review what went well, what didn't, and how you can improve in the next session. Document these reflections in Wrike so you can refer back to them as you continue to iterate and enhance your project. Finally, always remember that Agile is about evolving your process, so don't hesitate to adjust your columns, workflows, or even the way conversations happen within Wrike based on what your team finds most effective. So there you have it, your introduction to using Agile project management in Wrike. With these tools and practices, you'll be well on your way to more efficient and effective project workflows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful